I'm Jimmy. I'm doing IT for my occupation. I don't know much about US stocks, so I want to come here to learn how to search for good stocks to invest. So my friend Steven recommended me to attend this course because his profit has already paid for this course fee. The most favorite part is that this course, we learn a lot of things and it will be very beneficial for my investment life. The most helpful lesson is Cayden class teach us how to evaluate whether a company is worth investing or not, and I personally find the VIA calculator very useful. It tells us whether a company is above or below intrinsic value. Definitely, I will recommend VIP to my friends and family members. I will encourage my children to come and attend this course. I think it will be very beneficial to them.